Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video I'll be showing you how I went from this to this. So let's get to the video. You'll need a brush, some hair bands, a bobby pin, blow dryer, and obviously got to be free spray. So I'm starting by sectioning off my hair and trying to find out the right positioning for my bun, and then I'm going to tie it up just tie it up really and just showing you guys the section. Doesn't really matter how you do it, it's just I like to leave the front out so I can do that last and make sure it looks really good, because I mean the front is obviously the first part people see. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to start I'm plugging in my blow dryer, and I'm going to start with this side. I'm just putting on the free spray, and a mistake I made a couple of times that I don't want you guys to make is I forgot to brush in the free spray before blow drying it a couple of times, and at first I didn't think there was anything wrong with it, which is why I was doing it, but I realized later that when it dries up it becomes really flaky or could leave like a white residue, which doesn't look good. So make sure you brush in the free spray if that's what you're using. You could use gel, but I prefer using the got2b free spray and my blow dryer because it dries quickly and it dries exactly in the place you want, and so that's quick and much easier than the gel, which might not dry, have to tie it down with a scarf and all that. But yeah, I'm just going to keep doing that and just keep doing this, brushing and blow drying it in place until I get to my next step.
You didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to touch it up, though. And I know you know. You want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a John and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look right. Your body got me. Oh God. Your body drive me crazy.
Now I'm just tying up the section that I have blow dried and brushed together. So now it's in place and I'm just going to tie it up. I don't know if you figured it out yet, but I'm going to be doing my hair in layers. And the reason why I'm doing it in sections this way is because that is the way I get it as flat as possible. Because if I just packed it up together, it would still look sleek, but it won't be really flat, and I'm going for that look. And doing it this way in sections is also what makes it last really long. So that's why I like doing this hairstyle this way.
Everybody run by me. Look how you twist and turn, twist and turn. Look how you twist and turn, twist and turn. Baby, I have you twist and turn. Look how you twist and turn, twist and turn. Your body drive me crazy, your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and me. Anybody with my eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man.
Find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires. I know.
So right now I'm just sectioning off some hair for my edges, as you can see. Right before I do the front of my hair, I think I left out more than I needed, but it's better to leave out more than you need than to not have enough, because once I stick back the hair with the got2b and freeze it in place, it's going to be hard to bring out hair from my edges. So I'm just going to do the top part now and then do my edges, and you see how it comes along as I keep working on it.
Before I copy all this like you wanna be my number one. You're not acting like the main thing. I let you pay my number two. You barely made the second change. Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires. I know. You got desires. I know. You got desires.
Now I'm just braiding my hair into 3 large braids. I'm just doing this so I can tuck in my hair since my natural hair won't be needed for this style I'm doing, and I'll need enough space to wrap around the futurist hair I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to wrap it around, as you can see, and then I'm just going to tie it down with a hairband to keep it in place. So this is the water wave futurist hair I'll be using. It's actually from an old hairstyle that I did, and that's why it looks a little bit rough, but it came in handy because this hairstyle was actually like a last minute hairstyle I decided to do. So that's why you should keep some of your old hair if it's still good, because you could definitely still use it for something else. So I'm just wrapping it around now, but before that I'm sectioning off some curls to leave out because I want some curls to fall down for the extra messy look, you get what I mean. So that is what I'm doing, and then I'm just trying to make it look neat and everything, and yeah, it's coming out really nice. I'm using some bobby pins now to hold the hair in place because, as you can see, some of the futurist hair is coming out in very uneven ways, and I don't like that, so I'm going to hold it in place with a bobby pin, and that's just what I'm going to be doing until I think it's even enough. And now I'm putting my curls to the back so I can do my edges. I'm using the free space to do my edges too, which is very unusual, but I just want everything to be in place for today. By the time I take a shower, my edges will probably get messed up, but just for the look today, I'm going to be using the free spray. As you can see, I don't know if you could tell, but I'm not exactly drying it up completely with my blow dryer. I'm just making it a little bit tacky so I can use it like a gel to swoop it in the way I want. So that's just really what I'm doing. So if you're doing your edges with this, which is not common, you could still use your normal edge gel, but if you're using this, don't dry it completely because then you'll just dry in place and you won't be able to swoop it. So just use your blow dryer to make it tacky and then swoop it in the way you want, and it actually dries fast, so you should be very quick with it. So this is me now. I'm done. I'm just trying to sort of rearrange or reposition the curls in the way I want, and after this I decided to actually add a little bit more curls to it because I liked how it looked and I felt like the curls weren't enough to bring out the look. So yeah, like I said, I'm adding some extra curls because I just want that extra messy look, and I really loved how it turned out. It looks really nice. So yeah guys, this is it. This is the end of my video. I hope you liked it. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.